Yes guys, I am back with another video, and today I'm going down to Bramhall fishing. My mate Jacob has got my rod in his bag, so we're gonna go down and see what we can catch. But yeah, so let's go fishing! Yes guys, I have arrived at Bramhall. Mate with Jacob, but checking. I'm doing some drifty skills. So I've arrived. Look, nice woods. And then the river literally is over there, so yeah. See you in a minute. Yes guys, I have arrived. Obviously, as you know, I'm in Bramhall. Check that swan over there, just chilling. All the ducks. There's the hill. So we're going to have a walk down here, so see if we can. I haven't got my rod with me because obviously my mates took it over there. I'm trying to not get in video because you don't want to be videoed. But look, it's nice. There is perch in this pond, that pond over that little bit there. But yeah, so sun behind you shining, the sky is bright. So let's go catch some fish, guys. Check that house there, guys, in Bramhall. Nice house. I'm just gonna bloody start for fishing. Pedals just come off. Check it. Look. What the fuck? Bad day for me. Stop.
Shit, your fucking bait's in there.
So guys, I'm walking back because my dad's picking me up. My rod didn't catch anything today, but better luck next time. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.